So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So good morning guys, it's Sunday today, so it's August 21, 2022 and it's 5:30 a.m. So maaga tayo nagising today because we have a tape interview and TV guesting for PTV4's Rise and Shine Pilipinas. So this was actually supposed to be a live TV guesting, but it's gonna happen on a weekday. This is gonna air on Tuesday, I think, in time for back to school or back to classes ng mga kids. But then, meron akong work, so it's probably impossible for me to go to the studio to do a live guesting. So they decided to do it via Zoom and just tape the interview and the demo. So, ayan, nag-ready na ako for today. I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I'm gonna be using later. And the bento box that we'll be creating later is something related to Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Ayan. And also in time for back to school, yung design. So, I have here, the main ingredient would be the yellow colored rice and the blue colored rice. So, this blue colored rice, I used food coloring. So, just 1 drop of food coloring dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. And then just mix it sa rice. If you want a lighter na color, just put more water. Ayan. And then for this yellow rice naman natin, I used egg yellow for this one. So, yung medyo malasado na egg, so hindi well done. The yellow part, you just mix it with the rice and then mash it. Or you can also use the yellow of the hard-boiled egg. Basta yung yellow ng egg. Ayan. But you can also opt to choose food coloring if you want to. Just the same with the blue. So if you want to be healthier, you can use butterfly pea powder. You can buy that online. Ayan. So this is the main ingredient. Of course, for the details naman later, we have cheese slices. So you need cheese slices. So this is the one that you use for the sandwiches, but you can also use regular cheese. So, I'll show you later what we're gonna use it for. And then, of course, ang ating nori for the details of the character. And then, ang ulam design for today is lumpiang Shanghai. Ayan. And then, we also have vegetables, of course. Ang ating cucumber and carrots. And then, for her fruits, I have the grapes there. Nasa fridge pa. And I'll show you how to assemble this one later or how to do the bento. Yesterday, we also did a shoot with GMA News TV's Dapat Alam Mo. So they went here sa house and then we did a TV shoot. I don't have the airing date yet, but of course, I'll update you in my socials. Lahat ng racket na to ay dahil back to school na mga bata. Guesting na ako sa Winners Alive and then I was featured in Inquirer as well, and in Bayan Mo, ipatrol mo ng ABS-CBN. And then, yesterday, yung GMA News TV, and then, ngayon naman yung PTV4. So, lahat ng airing dates, ayan, i-announce ko yun sa social, so please just follow me. So, one woman team ako today dahil tulog pa sila. So, ayan, I'm just waiting for the Zoom link, and then, I'll record the demo, of course, para rin sa mga mommies na gusto mag-start ng kanilang bento journey. So, this is a very quick and easy bento na I'm gonna prepare later. So, stay tuned. So, joining na tayo ng meeting, guys. Ito na, this is it.
Recording in progress.
Yan, ma'am, unahin ko na po muna yung interview.
Okay.
Kayo po, ma'am, ay na-feature ng iba't ibang news type po, no? Dahil sa inyo po ang bento box. Kailan po kayo nag-start gumawa ng bento?
Actually, I started ng bento making noong 2016. So, of course, yung motivation ko is gumawa ng healthy na baon for Zion. That's the name of my daughter. So, during that time, kindergarten siya. And so normal na baon lang, yung nilalagay lang sa lunchbox, ganyan. Pero I was inspired by a page sa Facebook wherein may isang mommy na nag-share ng baon ng anak niya na nakalagay sa bento box. So doon ako nag-start. So 2016, from there, ayun na, the rest is history.
Ma'am, you have YouTube channel po, no? Nakita ko. Nagtuturo din po kayo doon ng pagbebento, ano po?
Actually, hindi naman siya professional na pagtuturo. Gumagawa ako ng workshop before. Actually, nag-workshop ako before with a BPO company. Pero yung aking pagbebento tutorial, it was an accident. Nag-start lang siya nung pandemic. Kasi nung pandemic, parang into YouTube lahat ng tao, di ba? Kasi nasa bahay lang tayo. So, nag-try ako mag-search ng mga tutorials from the Philippines na nagtuturo ng bento. Parang wala. So, nag-decide ako na bakit hindi ko simulan during this time ng pandemic. Mas maluwag kasi ngayon na nasa bahay yung online classes kasi mas may time. So, hindi ako nagmamadali. Kaya lahat ng ginawa ko nitong pandemic, naka-document lahat siya doon sa YouTube channel. So, para masundan din ng ibang mommies, tsaka madadali lang yung ginagawa ko doon mostly.
You can start anytime.
Okay, so for today, we're gonna do a bento that is related to PTB4's Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Let's start doing the bento character. So, for the blue-colored rice, what we need to do is we need to put it here. So, this is the bento box that we're gonna use. So, let's just remove the tray. You just need to get the rice and then i-spread nyo siya so it will serve as a background. Pag na-spread nyo na yung rice here, so just set it aside. So for the bento character, you just need to cut a portion of the cling wrap. So this is the secret to molding the rice for bento making. So get 2.5 tablespoons. Ayan. And then, just wrap it sa cling wrap. What you need to do sa pag-mold ng rice, just make it compact like that. Form a ball para magdikit-dikit yung grains ng rice. Imo-mold nyo lang siya into the shape that you want. So, for this creation, what we need is half circle or semicircle. Okay, so let's set this aside. And then, what you need is the cheese slices. Yung ginagamit sa sandwiches, yung meron pa siyang wrapper. Pwede rin yung regular cheese, pero I prefer this one kasi manipis siya. And then, you can cut it with the scissors. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is you cut 5 na triangles there. So, ganitong shape. So, i-cut nyo siya habang meron pa siyang wrap para hindi didikit yung cheese. Ayan. So, we need to cut 5 of these. Ayan, 5 ganyan. Itabi natin ulit siya. What we need to do now is cut the details. So, ang kailangan natin is to cut 2 circles and then 1 curved line. It's as easy as like cutting a paper. But we also have nori punchers. Pero kung wala pa, you can just cut it and ayan. So, 2 circle siya. Tabi natin yon. And then we just need to cut a curved line. Ayan. So, we now have 2 circles for the eyes and then we also have a curved line. So, ayan yung magiging details niya. So, it will be the face. So, kukunin ko lang yung ginawa natin kanina. So, yung ginawa natin na half circle. And then, yung ating nilagay na blue-colored rice. What you need to do now is put it on top of the blue-colored rice. And then, the next thing that you need to do is to get yung cheese slices. And then, we'll just put it here on top. So, it will be like the rays of the sun. There. Then, lagay na natin yung details ng face. So, ayan yung ating bento character. Then, we'll put the ulam. So, again, you can do with whatever ulam that you have, kahit leftover pa yan. So, this is gonna be the protein part of the bento box. Here's sa side na to, we'll put the vegetables. So, we have here cucumber and carrot. So, get your cucumber and then get your carrot. Meron akong food and vegetable cutter here. Ayan, flower shape siya. Gagawin nyo lang dito sa vegetable cutter is just put it here like that and then just cut it. Ayan. And then magkakaroon siya ng flower in the middle. And then we'll do the same for the carrots. Magiging flower shape siya. And then, put it inside ng cucumber. So, ayan. So, we'll make 3 of these. So, we'll put it here sa part na to for the veggies. Ayan. So, we'll just arrange it para nakikita yung design. And then here, sa gitna, we'll just put our grapes. So, again, mga mommies, whatever fruits, whatever vegetables, or whatever ulam you have, you can use it sa inyong bento. You can control what your kids eat. And then, i-design na natin siya. This one here. Yung hands. So, whatever you have sa bahay, it's okay. Ayan. Kung wala naman kayong bento picks, it's fine also. So, you can just do this design that I taught you. There. Lalagay na natin siya sa ating yum box or bento box. So, this bento box that I have is a good investment. So, you can also buy this online. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating finished product. Ayan. So, that's it guys for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed our behind the scenes na taped interview and our bento demonstration for our TV guesting next week sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas ng PTV4. And the airing date, I will announce it on my socials. So, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube na rin. And also, yung airing date ng feature din natin sa GMA News TVs, dapat alam mo, i-announce ko rin sa socials ko. Ayan. So, shout out muna first sa Plants and Display sa pagpapaganda ng aking background. Ito yung Instagram account nila. If you need artificial plants, go to them. Ayan. So, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Happy bentoing. See you on my next vlog. Bye!